Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2023 Corvette C8 2LT Coupe with MagRide in high wing, black on adrenaline red. So we'll start here at the rear of the vehicle. So coming to the rear hood here, it is the Coupe. So you can see it has the glass here. I'll look down here, and right behind the seats is the engine. It's a mid-engine 6.2 liter V8 producing 495 horsepower. It's paired to an 8-speed dual clutch automatic transmission. And again, this one has the MagRide suspension. Coming back here, you can see the rear trunk. We do have the removable roof in the trunk, and it's carbon fiber, so it's nice and light, and it's painted body color, so black. All right, when the roof is on the car, we gain all this extra space, and you can fit golf clubs back here, as well as shopping items or whichever you prefer to do with the trunk. It does have the soft close. Once it catches there we go. And we'll zoom out here so you can see the roof is off. Here's your rear camera mirror right there, and then here's your glass with your engine compartment. And the engine cover is done in the edge red, so you can see it popping out from all the black. Coming down here, you can see it has the carbon flash badge pack, so there's your Stingray, and then we do have the high wing on this car, giving a little extra exotic look. And then down below we have the NPP performance exhaust, and that allows you to change the exhaust note from loud to quiet or vice versa, and you can do that electronically while you're driving the car. Okay, making our way to the wheels. We'll start here at the rear wheel. So this one does have the 5 open spoke carbon flash wheel with the machined outer edge. We have Michelin tires all the way around the car, and the rear tire size is a 305/30 ZR20. For brake calipers, we do have the bright red brake calipers. All right, making our way to the front wheel. You can see it similar. The brakes are larger in the front. You can see the calipers are larger. Those red calipers do say Corvette on them as well. Front tire size is a 245/35 ZR19, so we have a nice staggered wheel combination. Okay, let's make our way to the interior. So we have a mostly black door panel, and you're going to see the bright red stitching all along the door here, and then the adrenaline red armrest here. The Bose Performance Series sound system. We also have the memory package for the passenger, the power windows, power locks, and electronic door release. Show you the dash on this side here. So the red stitching continues on the dash, and you can see the adrenaline red highlights here. We'll open the glove compartment. You can see it has the owner's manual in there and the wheel lock nut, as well as the funnel. Show you the door jambs over here, so they're nice and tidy. Your Stingray kick plate is in great condition, nice and shiny throughout. Carpeted floor mats. We do have the 8-way power seats, so you got power bolster and lumbar. And we'll scan the condition of the seat here. So again, adrenaline red. Nice contrast against the black. These are the GT1 seats, and you can see it has the adrenaline red seat belts as well, matching the seats. All right, I'll come in between the seats. You can see the window here, so you can see the engine compartment. A very cool feature, and it's surprisingly very quiet in the cab as well. So coming here, in the middle, we have the speaker grille. You're going to see the 70 badge here because it is a 23 model. And then we have the wireless charging station in between the seats. Okay, we'll go ahead and close the door here, and let's take a look at the rear spoiler here. So again, the high wing, so you can see the profile back here, looking great. We'll walk down the car here now. You see that shiny black paint. Here's your red seats making an impact. Looks great with the windows down. The windows are tinted as well, and black mirror covers here. And you can see all the black here and all the shine. You can see all the reflection in the paint, so you can see everything in the background. Let me throw my hand up here. There we go, just like a mirror. That's the black paint there, just beautiful. Okay, make our way to the front. We have the bright LED headlights. We'll see them on in a bit. And we'll make our way to the front here. We have the Frunk open, and then down here you can see the Frunk itself. We do have the divider here with the net. In this bag here is the front plate cover for the license, and then we have the nice spacious cover here. 12-volt socket here. That'd be where you charge your battery with your trickle charger. And we'll go ahead and close the frunk. And we'll come back here and we'll take a look at this beautiful paint. It shines like crazy. You can see all the reflections, all the sealing in the paint itself, all the lights. Looking great. So I do want to point out this car also has paint protection film, and it's done on quite a bit of the car. So the front bumper is all done in it. The front trunk lid here, your both fenders on each side here, your mirror cap covers, and your entire windshield is done in the paint protective film. And there is one little mark on that paint protective film right here on the fender. That's in the film, it's not in the paint itself. So just so you know, if that does bother you, you can always peel that off. Paint is beautiful underneath. Okay, let's make our way to the wheels here. So they look great on this side, as well as this side here. And let's come back to the interior. So the door panels, so the black with the adrenaline red and the red stitching, the Bose performance sound system. We got the memory package for the driver as well. Power mirrors, we got power folding mirrors. I'll hit that here so you can see it function. And back out again. You're also going to see the blind spot monitor there. Power windows, power locks, electronic door release, front and rear trunk. Okay, I'll show you the dash on this side here. There's your heads-up display slot. It does have heads-up. And then back to your door jambs, also looking nice and tidy. Kick plate looks great on this side as well. Nice and clean. Down here's your pedals, carpeted floor mats, the 8-way power seats with lumbar and bolster. And we'll scan the seat here. Again, the GT1 seat in adrenaline red. And you can see the Corvette embossed in the headrest there. Adrenaline red seat belts as well. All right, make our way into the car now. We'll close the door here. And we'll start over here. So we got nice sleek HVAC vents in a C8. You can hardly tell they're vents. We have the heads-up display controls right here. Down below we have dash dimming lights, and you have electronic parking brake. Over on the column we got tilt, power tilt, and telescopic wheel. Headlight controls right here. Paddle shifters on both sides, so upshift, downshift. Z button takes you to your performance pages. Then we have cruise control settings and audio on both sides here. Heated steering wheel, Bluetooth voice command, your arrow keys for your digital dash, and then your windshield wiper controls. All right, we will go ahead and start the car. It's a push button start. And it fires right up. We'll zoom out here so you can see that wheel now. So we got an all black wheel with a red leather center point, flat top, flat bottom, and the red stitching all throughout here. Corvette flags in the center. Then we have the digital cluster for the gauges. Mileage on this car, 8,219 kilometers. Coming up to the visors here, you're going to see the universal garage door opener here. And then down below here, we have the 8-inch touchscreen. So we'll go over a couple of the icons here. I'll start from the first page here. Makes it a little easier. So we got factory nav. I'll hit that there. So you can see your factory nav. Go back home here. Has Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. And then we have performance data recorder. So that's there as well. Front camera. I'll throw the reverse camera on first. So there's your reverse camera. Front camera right there, so you can see your front of your car and your side angles. And then down below you have your automatic transmission control, so it's a push-pull design. And then over here we got traction control and your front camera button. We have a mode selector here with a dial. So let's come back into the dash. I'll turn the dial to the beginning. So the first one is weather mode, my mode, so you can customize it. And every time I turn this dial, you notice the functions change. So there's tour mode. Here's sport. So here's sport, and track will open up the exhaust valves and the active exhaust, so it's louder. And then track. And then we'll come back here again, and we'll come down to the tower here. So you got climate control, dual zone climate control, and the seats are ventilated, or heated and ventilated for the driver passenger. Console is done in adrenaline red. I'll open the compartment up here so you can see it's got 2 cup holders here. And then we have the black console lid here. I'll open that up. Put my hand in here so you can see how deep it is, and then we got auxiliary and USB here. All right, we'll open this door up now. I will turn on the headlights, and let's give it a couple revs. Whoa. It just hits a nice lick. Wow. All right, I'll hop out of the car now. We'll make our way to the front. I'll show you those headlights on this car. So you're gonna see it's nice and bright. And look how shiny this car is. It's got a great look. See those red seats? Wow. So this car has already been 5-stage polished already, which you can really tell the difference. Just glimmers. And coming around here, you can see those bright LED taillights, and listen to that exhaust. Wonderful. So here we have it. This is a 2023 Corvette C8 Coupe 2LT with MagRide and high wing. This one is done in the black with the adrenaline red. This is here and available at monroemotors.com. Come down and have a look at this one for yourself. We look forward to seeing you real soon.